Looking for the best solar security camera for your home? With so many options available, choosing the right one can be challenging. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best solar security cameras, selected based on video quality, AI features, battery performance, and overall value for money. Watch until the end to find out which solar security camera is the best choice for your home or business. Let's get started. Item number 5. aosu 3K 5-megapixel Solar Security Camera System. If complete outdoor coverage is your priority, this camera immediately stands out. The 3K 5-megapixel resolution delivers sharp details, while the 360-degree PTZ view and auto tracking keep every important moment in sight. Full-color night vision, smart alerts, and two-way audio create a security experience that feels modern and dependable. Solar power means continuous performance with less maintenance, and the IP65 weatherproof design is ready for year-round outdoor use. With easy app control, Alexa and Google Assistant support, plus a quick setup process, this system brings convenience and confidence together. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade home security with reliable wireless protection. Item number 4. Giant Eye 2K Solar Security Camera System. What makes this stand out is how it combines smart security with everyday convenience. The 2K resolution delivers crisp video, while the 360-degree pan and tilt view helps cover every corner with ease. AI human detection and instant mobile alerts keep you connected, and two-way audio makes communication simple from anywhere. Full-color night vision with a built-in spotlight keeps everything clear after dark. The solar-powered design with battery backup supports reliable protection, and dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi provides a smooth, stable connection. With 4 wireless cameras and easy app control, this system offers a complete and dependable home security solution. Item number 3. aosu 2K Solar Security Camera System. There's a clear focus on making home security simple and reliable with this one. The 2K QHD video delivers sharp, detailed footage, while PIR and AI human detection provide smart alerts when they matter most. Full-color night vision, a spotlight, and a built-in siren add an extra layer of confidence around the clock. The flexible solar panel design keeps the cameras powered, and the 32GB local storage means there's no subscription required. Everything is managed through one easy app, making it simple to monitor multiple cameras at once. Overall, this system offers a smart, hassle-free solution for dependable outdoor home security. Item number 2, aosu Solar Camera Security Outdoor. It feels built for anyone who wants reliable security with minimal effort. The 4-megapixel resolution delivers sharp, detailed video, while full-color night vision keeps everything clear even after dark. PIR and AI motion detection provide smart alerts, and two-way audio makes it easy to stay connected from anywhere. The solar-powered design with a 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery supports continuous protection, and the IP66 waterproof build is ready for every season. Quick setup through the mobile app and Alexa compatibility make everyday control simple and convenient. Overall, this camera system brings together smart features, dependable performance, and excellent value for complete home security. Item number 1, Zeiss 2K Solar Security Camera. You immediately notice that this camera is designed for complete outdoor protection. The 2K resolution, 355-degree pan, 90-degree tilt, and 4x digital zoom give you an impressive view with excellent coverage. Smart AI detection identifies people, vehicles, packages, and animals, delivering accurate alerts right to your phone. The solar-powered design keeps the camera running efficiently, while color night vision, a built-in spotlight, and siren add extra confidence day and night. Two-way audio lets you communicate instantly, and flexible SD or cloud storage gives you more control over your recordings. Overall, this camera offers a smart, reliable, and feature-packed solution for modern home security. Which of these solar security cameras is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.